Hello, in front of me I have Garmin Vivosmart 3, and I'm gonna show you how to customize the widgets on this device. First, let's wake up the screen on our smartband. To do it, simply double tap on the screen. And now I'm gonna show you how to access the widgets. Basically, once you wake up the screen, you can swipe up and down on the screen to scroll through the list of widgets. And we have widgets like time and date, that's the first one, with the time. Then we have floors, intensity, I believe, of training, calories burned, distance, music controls, weather, notifications, heart rate, stress level, and time and date. And we can customize this list. Basically, we can remove or add some widgets on this list. And to do it, your band needs to be paired with your phone via the Garmin Connect app. I'm gonna bring my phone that is paired with our band right here. On our phone, let's open the Garmin Connect app. In the app, you should see this page, the My Day page. That's the main page of the app. Now, if the band is paired with your phone via this app, you should see the Vivosmart 3 icon right here. Tap on it. Then tap on device settings. And here let's tap on display options. And then select visible widgets option. And as you can see, we have quite a list of widgets we can enable or disable. So basically, the enabled widgets, these are the widgets you can access now by swiping up and down on the screen. And if you turn them off, for example, I'm gonna turn off time and date, go back to the device page of the Vivosmart 3. It's gonna say that the settings were saved successfully. I'm gonna wait till the devices are done syncing, wake up the screen, and the device should apply the settings now. And as you can see, the time and date is gone. Okay, let's go back to the device settings. Display options, visible widgets. Let's enable the time and date back on. We can also enable steps. We can disable or enable also floors climbed, intensity minutes, calories, distance, and stuff like that. Customize it however you like. And then, like I said before, simply go back to this page, to the Vivosmart 3 page, wait until it tells you that the settings were saved, then wait until devices are done syncing, and after the devices are done syncing, your settings should be applied after a couple of seconds. Okay, and that's how you customize the widgets on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.